this video, you will learn how to use a mortar pan. A mortar pan is a vessel made of steel or rigid plastic used to hold or carry sand, cement, mortar, and concrete. To use a mortar pan, fill it with a quantity of material that you are comfortable with carrying. Lift the mortar pan with a straight posture to avoid injury to your back. Hold it close to your body and straighten yourself to lift. When applying mortar, place the mortar pan near the area of application to make your work easier. You have now learned to use a mortar pan.